Hello student, very good morning to all of you. How are you? I hope you all are happy, healthy and fine at home. Do you remember what were we discussing yesterday? I think we were discussing about the multiple choice question or the objective type question according to the new revised syllabus introduced by Savitribai Phule Pune University, that is the CBCS 2019 pattern, and on the chapter number 1, polynuclear and the heteronuclear aromatic compound. So far we have discussed near about 108 multiple choice question, and today remaining question we are going to discuss. Why we are discussing such type of the question with their justification, the reason behind it, we are facing the COVID-19 pandemic, and due to this reason the continuous internal assessment as well as university examination are online mode, and the nature of the online examination are multiple choice question, and therefore you must adopt these strategies, or you can develop your new skill, how you can quickly solve the multiple choice with better perfection. And as far as these multiple choice question is concerned, there is no alternative for the hard work, and those are listening or reading the reference book or the textbook thoroughly, and then pay the attention towards such kind of the multiple choice question. Then it will be very beneficial to you. You can achieve the maximum mark in your examination. So let's begin with the question number 109. Thiophene reacts with acetic anhydride in presence of H3PO4 as a catalyst gives dash dash. This is a simple statement made here, and the options are 4 options are given, and from these 4 options you must select the correct alternative from this. And let us see here, first of all, because we are solving this problem based giving some justification, how you can here 2-acetyl-thiophene, structure of 2-acetyl-thiophene will be here sulfur, and now thiophene means this one, an acetyl group present at 2 position like this. Now 1-acetyl-thiophene, remember the yes, and there is what we can call it as a C double bond O, CH3 group is present over here. So let's see here, and positive charge on that sulfur atom. Let's see another where the acetyl group attached as 3 position. Then let us see another one where here is a thiophene, and here the acetyl group which are present at these positions, 2 and 3 positions. Now if you observe this structure carefully, and if you remember the one sentence which I have made during the descriptive during that descriptive explanation, there I have already told you that these are the 5 membered ring, mainly furan, thiophene, pyrrole. They undergoes electrophilic substitution at 2 position, remember, and this, the acetic anhydride and H3PO4 is an catalyst where one reaction is taking place which is electrophilic in nature, and therefore remember, according to the acetic anhydride has a structure is this one, CS3, C double bond O, C double bond O and CS3. This is a structure of acetic anhydride, and 2 moles of acetic acid heated at 200 to 300 degrees centigrade in presence of Al2O3 aluminum trioxide. The resulting compound formed is known as acetic anhydride, and that acetic anhydride can be used for the many reactions such as this Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. We can use as acetic anhydride in presence of some Lewis acid catalyst. The function of Lewis acid catalyst to generate the electrophile, and we are getting as this type of the compound. So is there answer here? A is the right answer for this question. Now let us move on to the next one, that is a question number 110. Let's see. So now let us see question number 110. 110 is like this. What is the following reaction? What is the following reaction? What is the following? What is the following reaction? What is the following reaction? And the reaction is given here. The reaction is represented as this one, CS3, C double bond OCl in presence of AlCl3, and the product also given C double bond O, CS3 acetyl group is introduced at 2 position, and options are given. They are as follows: Friedel-Crafts. Here is a Friedel-Crafts, B Riemer-Tiemann, then C would be Polnar, and D would be Haworth. See, in previous questions, the nature of question is different than this one. The same reaction, but the questions, the way of nature of asking the questions are different. So here, which is the named reaction involved in it? So look at, by looking the reagent and the product, you can clearly understood that this is one of the famous reaction which is known as Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. In Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, what is happening? The acetyl group is introduced. That acetyl group is a electrophile, arsenium ion, and as we know that electrophilic substitution occur at two positions, so according to that is there, and therefore the name of their reaction is a Friedel-Crafts reaction, and we got this one. A is the right answer. Now let us move on to the next question, the question number 101. Let's see. Question number 101. What is it? Thiophene reacts with Thiophene reacts with benzene diazonium chloride. Thiophene reacts with benzene diazonium chloride at 5 degrees centigrade and gives dash. Thiophene reacts with benzene diazonium chloride at 5 degrees centigrade and gives dash dash, and the options are as follows. A is 1-phenylazothiophene, 1-phenylazothiophene, B 2-phenylazothiophene, and C would be 3-phenylazothiophene, and D would be all of these. See here, thiophene reacts with benzene diazonium chloride at 5 degrees centigrade and gives dash dash. Among the following 4 alternatives are given, options are given, and from that you have to choose the correct option. What do you think? Which one will be the correct answer? Let me draw the structure of those are given in the options. Thiophene means sulfur atom involved in the ring formation. Azo means here N double bond NC6H5 positive charge on that nitrogen atom. Let's see another structure. 2 at 2 position, this group is there, C6H5, and here 3-phenyl means this is a thiophene moiety. You keep as it is, only at 3 position you can introduce, you can attach this group C6H5, that is phenyl, and these are the different structures which I have drawn on that blackboard. From this, which would be the correct answer? The correct answer would be the second one. The reason behind it, only remember, any 5-membered heterocyclic compound, they undergoes preferentially or mainly at second position, means at 2 position, and therefore look at that, the diazonium salt which is attached at 2 position, and therefore this is a right answer for this question. Now let us begin with the next question, question number 12 here. And what is it that we will look at shortly in a moment? What is the following reaction? The question number 112. What is the following reaction? What is the following reaction? What is the following reaction? Question mark. And the reaction is represented here. See, thiophene, it will be treated with C6H5 N triple bond N Cl minus, positive charge over here, and product also given here, N double bond N C6H5. This is a reaction and the options are given: A, diazocoupling reaction. B would be Haworth reaction. C would be Paul-Knorr reaction, and D would be Diels-Alder reaction. Now, what do you think? What is the following reaction? Can you recognize which named reaction it is? Whether it is a diazocoupling reaction, Haworth reaction, Paul-Knorr reaction, or Diels-Alder reaction. And this kind of the reaction is nothing but as a diazocoupling reaction. Remember, many times we have seen this. So now let us move on to the next one. Question number 13. Question number 13. Let's see here, question number 30. When thiophene is treated with DMF in presence of when thiophene is treated with DMF in presence of POCl3 gives del dash. When thiophene is treated with DMF in presence of POCl3 gives del dash. Now options are given. A option will be 1-thiophene carboxyaldehyde. 1-thiophene carboxyaldehyde. B, 2-thiophene carboxyaldehyde, and C would be 3-thiophene carboxyaldehyde. And D would be None of these. None of these. None of these. Read this multiple choice question carefully. When thiophene is treated with DMF in presence of POCl3, do you know the structure of DMF or the full form of DMF? DMF is nothing but, here DMF is nothing but dimethyl formamide. Dimethyl formamide, and the structure of the dimethyl formamide will be N C double bond OH, fermyl group is there, and that nitrogen has two methyl groups attached to that nitrogen. Means there are three groups are attached. One is a fermyl, two are the dimethyl. Therefore, dimethyl formamide. So that is the name, and this is a short form is given. Here DMF and the POCl3, which will introduce the fermyl group, which is also as a electrophilic substitution reaction. And before that, let us see the structures of 1-thiophene carboxyaldehyde. Here thiophene, we know that the structure of thiophene is this one, and where the CHO group is introduced, fermyl group is introduced, and therefore it is 1-thiophene carboxyaldehyde, and 2 of course here thiophene, and at 2 position there will be CHO group. And then third one, you can see here, this is a thiophene, and at 3 position there will be a CHO group. These are the different structures of different multiple choice questions. Let's see here 1, 2 and 3. And remember, this is also as a electrophilic substitution reaction. It is one of the famous reaction which is known as Reamer-Tymon reaction, and where the fermyl group is generally introduced at 2 position, because 5-membered ring or thiophene undergoes electrophilic substitution at 2 position. Therefore, this is the right answer. Means you can see here B is the correct answer for this question. Now let us move on to the next one, which is a question number 114. Now the question number 114, which I am showing here. Let's see. When thiophene is treated with when thiophene is treated with when thiophene is treated with DMF dimethyl formamide in presence of POCl3 gives 2-thiophene gives a 2-thiophene carboxyaldehyde. and which named reaction involve in it? Which is the named reaction? Which is the named reaction involved in it? Which is the named reaction involved in it? And the reactions are given here. A. Friedel-Crafts. B. Diels-Alder. C. Riemer-Tiemann. And D. Haworth. D is Haworth. So now look at here. When thiophene is treated with DMF in presence of POCl3 gives 2-thiophene carboxyaldehyde. Which is the named reaction involved in it? There are 4 options are given. One Friedel-Crafts, second one Diels-Alder, third one Riemer-Tiemann, fourth one is Haworth. Which one will be the reaction, named reaction involved in it? So if you see here, the Riemer-Tiemann reaction is the correct answer, because Riemer-Tiemann is the reaction where the Fermyl group is introduced at a specific position. So that is a special. This is a electrophilic substitution reaction given by the aromatic compound. That is the speciality of this. Now let us move on to the next one. What is the following reaction? Question number 115. Question number is 115. What is the following reaction? What is the following reaction? What is the following reaction? Reaction is given here. Observe carefully. It will be treated with CHCl3 in presence of KOH, and the product formed will be given here CHO. That the complete representation. And now what is the following reaction? And here also options are given. A. Riemer-Tiemann reaction. Riemer-Tiemann reaction. B. Friedel-Crafts. Riemer-Tiemann, you can call it. B would be Friedel-Crafts. C would be Diels-Alder. and fourth one D is Haworth. Which one, what do you think here? This also has a Riemer-Tiemann reaction. This is the correct answer for it. I think with this we have discussed some of the multiple choice question. In our next lecture we will discuss the remaining multiple choice question. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.